In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drag and drop uploads in Notion. Whether you're brand new to Notion or you just want to streamline your workflow, this will show you the simplest way to get files onto your page and rearrange them exactly where you want. Let's start with uploading to a page. Open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want your files to live. On your computer, locate the file you want to add. This could be a PDF, an image, a spreadsheet, or most common file types you work with. Now click and hold that file, then drag it over to your Notion window. Aim for a blank area on the page so you're not dropping it inside an existing text block. When Notion recognizes the drop zone, you'll see a subtle highlight or line indicating where the file will land. Release your mouse and the upload begins instantly. You'll see the block appear in place, and a quick progress indicator may show while it finishes. If your workspace has size or permission limits, keep that in mind. But for most everyday files, it's smooth and fast. This works the same in the desktop app and in a browser, so use whatever's most comfortable. Once your file or any block is on the page, you can move it with precision. Hover your cursor over the left edge of the block until you see the 6-dot handle appear. Click and hold that handle to pick up the block, then drag it to a new position. As you move, watch for the blue guide that shows exactly where it will drop. Release to set it in place. If you want to build columns, keep holding the handle and slide the block to the left or right of another block until you see a vertical blue line. That line means Notion is about to create a side-by-side layout. Drop it there, and you've got columns. You can rearrange columns the same way, nudging blocks until the guide appears. This is perfect for comparing files, pairing images with notes, or grouping related content without breaking your flow. That's the core workflow. Drag files in to upload instantly, then use the 6-dot handle to move, align, and organize. Keep your page tidy by leaving a little blank space for easy drops, and use columns to build clean, scannable layouts that adapt well across devices. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production, we read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.